Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of Create with Linda. So it is, what's today? Tuesday. And I'm coming on because I'm going to do some vlogging today with some stuff. But I wanted to make my iced coffee and I'm using this stuff, okay, to sweeten it with. It's salted caramel, no sugar, all that, sugar-free. All of that, 0 sugar, 0 calories. So let's see what happens. I already put 2 tablespoons. Scotty thing. Give me a second. 2 tablespoons of the caramel in. And, yeah, there we go. And now I'm going to put some cream. Could you give me a spoon? I'm going to put some half and half. I really want to use the extra, but that's the Dunkin' extra, but that's the whole purpose then. It defeats the whole purpose of having sugar-free because that's not sugar-free. Okay. I don't know, guys. I've been my daughter turned me on to Starbucks freaking coffee. Starbucks stuff, and oh my God, yesterday I had a sugar-free one from there. It was delicious. And so now, all I want, like I used to have coffee in the morning, like hot coffee. I don't want no hot coffee right now. All I want is iced coffee. So I kept this cup from Starbucks because I don't know if you've ever seen Starbucks cups. They got the little sippy thing on them. I love that. Okay, so let's mix it up and see what it's like. Now, I think what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to test this. I'm going to drink this, and then I'm going to take my sugar. I'm going to test my sugar in like 2 hours, and I'm going to see if my sugar went up. Because even though it says sugar-free, I can't read the freaking ingredients on it. Sometimes when it says, there's a difference between sugar-free and 0 sugar. So I got to make sure that, that there's no hidden, I can't read this. Maybe one of my kids could read this with me to see if it has any, yeah, I can't really read the ingredients, but I want to make sure that, that I'm not like, sipping away here thinking that it's not sugar, that it's sugar-free, and then it, my sugar goes to 500, so don't want to do that, so, but I'm going to see. Oh my God. That is so good. I put like 2 dollops of, it said 2 tablespoons, but I didn't measure, but I just, like to me, it could use another little drop of syrup, and I think I'm going to put a drop more in, but it's so good. It is so good. This is salted caramel. You get these at Walmart. I had like 2 other ones, and they expired because I never used them. But this one is still good. So, as far as Weight Watchers go, the half and half is going to be points. So I got to make sure that I take care of that. Oh my God. So good. And the trick to this is you really got to have it cold. You got to have a lot of ice and have everything really cold. The coffee's cold. Obviously, this isn't cold, but so freaking yummy, guys. Get you some of this skinny syrups. So guys, this is 2 points for 2 tablespoons. That's not bad at all. So as far as points go, that's really good. So I'm so excited about this drink. I don't need to go to Starbucks and pay $6 for this. I don't think it has the price there, but I think it was 5 something actually. 6 something. So yummy. All right, I'm hungry, so I gotta make something to eat. I'm gonna make some eggs. One thing I have to learn to do though, and I'm trying really hard, is to sip it, because I'm big on like I could take 1 sip and it could be almost done. I don't want to do that. I want to sip it. I want to enjoy it. Amazing. All right, let me get over to the stove. I'll probably bring it over there and let you see what I'm doing. All right, guys, so I'm going to make eggs. I'm just going to make over easy eggs with cheese. I have bacon in there. I have ham in there. I just don't feel like, well, the moment I don't feel like making it, and number 2, it's a lot of bacon. There's a lot of points. There are certain things that I can buy, like I can buy that other ham. What is it called? It's like that round ham, small ham that has no points. There's a lot of other stuff that, like, I have to get because that I have less points. You know what I mean? So like today I'm just gonna have eggs and my coffee, and that's it. So I'm not adding anything to it today. Okay, so I'm gonna use spray. This way I'm not gonna use butter. This way there's no calories in that, and I don't have to charge myself the points for it. So I'm waiting for this to heat up a little bit. I'm gonna make 3 eggs because they don't cost anything. Eggs are no points, and so 3 eggs. That's what I'm having with cheese. I like my eggs over easy. Preferably not cracked. You know, not broken. Drop of salt. And pepper. Alright guys, so here it is. I'm going to try to flip it. I usually can do it with 2 eggs. I don't know how 3 will see. Alright, I'm just giving it another second. And ready, set. Woo! There we go. I am talented. Now I'm using 2 slices of cheese, which I think is 2 points each. Because I'm not having anything else, I can afford to use those points. So I'm going to shut it off because I don't like my eggs to overcook. And I'm going to just put this over it so it melts. And that's going to be relaxing. Okay guys, so here it is. There's a glare. Here is my eggs. So I'm going to eat my eggs now. and then get cleaning up this house, guys. I have so much planned. I have so much to do, so much to get to. I'm just gonna take one thing at a time because I have a lot that I want to get going, do today. Okay, guys. So I'm really, really excited because I literally just took out. I literally just took an hour and a half, and this thing is crooked and it aggravates me when it's crooked. I took an hour and a half and got all the stuff done that I needed to get, all the phone calls I needed to get done. I needed to call Ford to make an appointment to diagnose my car. I needed to make appointments, the last couple of appointments for the surgery, situations, and I feel so much better. I checked like 5 things off my list. 2 we're waiting on, 2 were, one thing has to call back, and I have an actual appointment, a virtual appointment tomorrow with my, with the sleep doctor to see if I need to do something or what the situation is with the sleep apnea, if I have it or what. I haven't gotten a call. I took it like a month ago. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, so that's all situated now. I'm gonna tackle my refrigerator because it's packed and I need to organize it. I'm gonna put some stuff downstairs as well. And then after I do that, straighten up this house quick, and then I'm going outside for a little while because it's chilly. It's cool out today. It's like probably in the high 60s, but it's nice, and I want to sit out there for a little while on my gazebo and on my swing. So let's get going and get this refrigerator empty. I got news for you. I hate doing it, but I'm gonna have to put a lot of stuff in my refrigerator downstairs because this refrigerator is so packed. I have condiments up the wazoo, guys. Let's see. Okay, yesterday the word of the day was God damn it. Today the word of the day is going to be, I haven't decided yet, but I'm sure it will come to me. All right. All right, so let's bring it over here where you can see. Guys, comment down below if you guys have a lot of condiments, because I have so many condiments that I don't even know what to do with. I really don't. No. Cooper, by the way, guys, is very much back to normal, basically. Okay, cold cuts. Let me push this a little bit back here. Sorry, guys. It's always a learning curve. Yeah. Look, Pyrexes. Who knows what's in here? Who knows what's in here? Hot dogs. More hot dogs. Cheddar brats over there. I have probably have 3 mayonnaises in the fridge because we never can find one, so we always open up another one. It's terrible. This is garbage. I'm not saving that. Oh, the garbage is over here. Here are the pickles that I wanted the other night with my sandwich the other day, and I couldn't find them. You know why? Because they were in the refrigerator. Cooper! Cheese. Guys, look at all this is what I'm talking about. You know, I'm not going to run downstairs every time I need a Nazi condiment. So I'm going to put stuff downstairs. Give me a second. All right. I think it's the Amazon or something. Just dropping something off. And hey. Get. No. That's a bad boy. Yogurts. Salami. What is this? What is it, people? What is it? Look. Chili. I'm trying to think of when I made this. Let's see if that's still good. If not, guess what? Didn't get stuck back here. garbage. Yeah, these are old. There's only a couple of pieces in there, so that's been wasted. Oh, more pickles back here. What is this? Pickles, look. Pickles. My back hurts. My back hurts. My back hurts. My back hurts. Gotta take a minute. Good boy. That's a good boy. Okay, we bought these guys yesterday at Sam's. These are so good. These little guacamoles. They're only 1 point for one of these. And if I have them with cucumber, there's no points. And I mean, one isn't that really that much, but even if I wanted to have two, that is 2 points, guys, with some cucumber or peppers or, no chips or anything like that. A really, really good snack for me to have on Weight Watchers and low carb. And, guacamole is really good for you. It's probably got some other stuff in it, though. My daughter, she buys these. I don't even know whose this is. She buys these drinks all the time and then leaves them in there, and who the hell knows what they are. Alright, let's see. Is that another jar of pickles? So many jars of pickles in this house. Look, another jar of pickles. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sit down here and rest my back for a minute. Okay. No, don't look at how bad he is. He immediately knows that I put the garbage down, and he immediately goes over to the garbage. No. Get. See, I can't let him out yet, like, on the leash by himself out there, because, can you see me now? Because it's only been, not even a week that he had his surgery. Once it's like 3 weeks, then I could put him out there and leave him on the leash out there where he can have a little bit of leeway and just to hang out. But I can't leave him out there by himself for long because he'll just try to run and everything else. And even though he can't run, I don't want him choking himself like when he goes to run, getting hurt and everything else. I don't need any of that injuries. Because I got news for you. $3,000 is enough. So I'm going to put all these, this is a bigger jar, so I'll put all these pickles. This is not going to work. Let me dump out this juice. Give me a second. All right. There we go. Now, I have one big jar instead of, I want these too. Oh, but these are the other kind, so I won't separate these. Alright, so this has to go in the recycling. Let's see what else we got in here, guys. Eggs, cheese, corn left over from last night, which is very good, cream cheese. This is not good anymore. Get rid of this. Sour cream. Oh, salad. Salad that has to be eaten. Where's this? I don't know what this is, but it's obviously not good. Another thing of sour cream. Oh shit. See how things get lost in the spinach. I'm gonna have this lunch today with, I think, a salad, spinach salad lunch today. Hey, Cooper. No. I have, this cheese in here. But I totally forgot about that cheese that I bought at Aldi, guys. Oh, so good. Get, go lay down. Go lay down. Go ahead. Sauerkraut. Get. Alright. Trying to think what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. Not going to the store. And yesterday, when I was at Sam's, I wanted to get chicken. They had no goddamn chicken. You know what? I think today is gonna be also another goddamn day. We'll see. Alright, I have another package of this cheese. Or salami. Stuff goes in this. Oh, this is bacon. Oh no, this is pork chop. I'm gonna put this in my freezer because I can use this for gravy. If I just remember that it's here. Because, you know, that's a whole nother story. That's a whole nother, this freaking freezer, guys, is packed to the limit. And so is the one downstairs. Who knows how old all this stuff is? I keep going over there for the garbage. Right. These, what's the expiration date on these? Where's my goddamn glasses? Motherless. Motherless. That's my word today. My word for today is motherless. You can add the other onto yourself. Motherless. I'm going to be very kid friendly. And no. I don't have to tell you guys what the other word is. All right, let's see. Oh, Jesus. April 26th of 22. So that means they're not good because it's May. It's May something. Look at how waste. You see what I'm talking about waste? Why didn't I just put it in the mother effing freezer? Mother effing. Potatoes. I save potatoes that we don't eat, and then I leave them in there, and I don't freaking utilize them. I can't, guys. I just can't. I wonder if this is expired too, because I'm good for that. God darn it. May 4th. I wonder if I stick it in the freezer, will it still be good? It's, what is it, May 22nd? No, I don't know. It's about 2 weeks. I don't know. I think I'm going to stick it in the freezer and see. And when I open it, I'll just, maybe I should cut it open to decide. I'm going to put it in the Ziploc. Whipped cream. Whipped cream. Leftover Chinese food. Broccoli, a little bit, not too bad. Leftover broccoli does not have a very nice smell. when it's in there. Right. Okay, guys. Let's move this stuff over as best as, what the hell? I'm just gonna put this in there right now. That's really, look, see, this is really bothers me now. This really bothers me because I'm very unattentive to my situation, and look what I wasted. Look what I wasted. Look, garlic. Bad. Oh, I bought this the other day because I want to make Greek salad. There is juice, or cheddar cheese. I don't think it's this in the package again, but these I bought the other day for Jenny's lunches. These little mozzarella cheeses, I gotta tell Julie about those too. Julie should know that those are there because those are good for her to take to work. I don't know how. These I bet you're expired too. I bet you any amount of money they're expired. Where is the expiration date? Oh. Okay, December. So this is still good. And this one doesn't look that great, but this is the same thing, December. So I gotta remember to give Jenny these with crackers. You know, sometimes the refrigerator is so goddamn full, I don't know what's in it, I don't know what I have. This is what I can't stand that I do, guys. It's crazy. Okay. Alright. Mozzarella, that's bad. I mean, there's no need for this stuff, really. Cream cheese, probably from Easter. And a laughing cow. This is the light. This is really good for me to eat now with Weight Watchers. Oh, good. It's November, so I have time on this, so that I'll utilize. This is cheddar. Oh, this is so good. Cheddar, string cheese, and another one of that cheese. I gotta wash this disgusting drawer out. Let's look at the straw, and the other one needs to be washed out too. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna wash this out. Hot water. Got a lot of other stuff in the sink here right now. Cooper, get away. Cooper. Ah. These drawers get really full of stuff. Whatever you think you're doing, go lay down. Go lay down, eh? No. 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 Go lay down. Gotta watch him with the back of you. You're gonna need eyes in the back of your head. That's what you need with him. The update on my cousin's puppy, Kiwi. As of right now, he's stable, but it's not that good. He's got some sort of a esophagus problem. And supposedly it's incurable. And they're trying to get him to eat, he can't hold anything down. He was able to eat a little bit, and then he can't hold anything down, guys. So I'm really, really very upset. Please pray for him. My cousin, it's her life. Kiwi is her life. I can't even go there. Please say your prayers for Kiwi. Please, because I know what it's like, and it's just too hard. It is. It's too hard. So I pray to God. And she's only 11. She's only 11 years old. Keep her in your prayers, please, as I'm making a big mess here. I don't know where all this energy is coming from today, but I figured might as well take advantage of it. Look at how bad he is. No. You're fast to being bad. You want mommy to lock you in the living room? I'm going to lock you in the living room. No. No. All right. Nice. All right. Okay. I need more paper towels, but they're all the way on top of the refrigerator, so guess what? I'm gonna need help, or I'm gonna need the broom. I use the broom for a lot of things because it has a long handle and I'm short. So I don't know where he is. He's in the living room. I hope he's being good. You know. Good boy. Good boy, Cookie. Alright. Let's put you there. My phone is there reading here somewhere. Alright, I'm going to put the cheese in this one. Guys, can you see it? Really can't see it. Let's over here. Let's move you back a little bit. Put the cheese in this one. Yeah. Got lots of cheese, guys. Lots of cheese. Start. Alright, let's put these more back here because we use the sliced cheese more. I hate them being all over the drawer thingy, but I also don't like them in that plastic. It's annoying. Let's shred it here. I think I have another package of, yeah, here it is. No, I have another one here. Leave that there. Gotta sit, guys. Gotta sit. Okay. I gotta start utilizing those cheeses. I have to. That cheese. We got feta. And I got this cheese. Can't forget that. I'm telling you. Jenny, and I love that. I just gotta remember what's freaking there. Jenny's yogurts. This is what I have to do. I have to write on the board again. Because if I don't write on the board, I don't remember what I goddamn have. I mean, it's terrible. It's like, I can't remember anything. All right, that's where I'm gonna put the cheese in. I'm not gonna put the cream cheeses in there because it's just, I have too many cream cheeses and it clogs it all up. So I don't wanna do that. So this I'm gonna put in the fridge now because it has cheese in it. Okay. Guys, you can see me going in the fridge. I don't think it's that big of a thing. Not that exciting, but you know. Okay. Alright, got that in there. Guacamole's gonna go on that side. I gotta figure out the sour situation. Yogurts. My son's out there bringing the garbage cans in, so you know, barking at that situation. I'm gonna get out a list, my list, because there's so many things in here that I gotta remember that I have. They're all gonna go goddamn bad. Hope you know him. Sour cream. Guys, so I put all the meat that the cold cuts in this one, ham, salami, turkey. Okay. That one's going in there. What the hell is that? Okay. That's in there. I got eggs that I have to put in one thing because I think I'm gonna have enough room in one to combine. I have, this one is big, but I'm not sure how many's in here. I always do that, I leave the shells in here. Not a good thing. Woo! I think I'm gonna have too many. You little mother effer. All right. I have to pick that up. Oh. Woo. We made it. So awesome. That's great. I don't know if I have any more eggs downstairs. I gotta look. But you gotta see on the door, I gotta take all those things off. I'm gonna put them downstairs.
You have some Easter down there that are colored.
What?
You have hardwood
We still have
Easter.
hardwood boiled eggs down there from Easter
do.
that are colored. I mean, you see what I mean?
Have you
Cause
showed them Inner Tube?
yeah, he's always on camera.
Inner Tube.
His name is not Inner Tube. Frankie calls Cooper Inner Tube. Inner Tube because of the donut on his head. All right, let's see. How much sour? Oh, this is whipped cream. Whipped cream. Woo. Can't stand when it's messy like this. You know what? This is garbage. It is not even worth saving. Yes. And this one's okay. I have to put the other stuff back. I also have the bottom drawer, you guys, and I don't even know if I'm going to get that accomplished because this is a lot of freaking work. Hey guys, I'm hungry for lunch, right? So I want to have lunch. And I bought this the other day. Did I get it at Aldi's? Yeah, at Aldi's, I think. And I just did it on the Weight Watchers thing, and there's only 5 points for the whole package. Look, that's one that's great about Weight Watchers. You could scan. Look, 5 points. Where is it? There. 5 points for 5 ounces, which the serving size is 5 ounces. Yeah. So I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave, and that's gonna be my lunch. I'm gonna put this on while I'm doing the other stuff that I'm doing, because I'm gonna keep going with this, because This is what's aggravating me the most. Look at this, guys. Look. Look at the mess. So many things that I don't know what to do with. I can't stand when salad dressings are flying all over the refrigerator. On top now, there's like 3 up there. You go to bring the milk down, the salad dressings come smashing down on you. I can't. I just can't. Okay, and let me see. Okay, there's 6 carbs in this. That's not bad. 1 gram of sugar. No fiber. Okay, so that doesn't get the sugar away, but that's not bad at all, guys. 6 grams of sugar, of carbs. That's awesome. Woo! Crystal from Pink Fairy. Look at this. This is awesome. I wonder if you ever had this one. Only 6 carbs, hon. All right, let's see what the directions are. Did I just rip the directions? Yep, I did. Okay, using scissors, cut open package and place the chicken on a cutting board. Slice chicken breast. What? Wait a minute now. Using scissors, cut open package and place the chicken on a cutting board. Slice chicken breast into 1 inches. Place all the pieces on a microwave-safe plate and drizzle any remaining juices evenly over the slices. Apply a damp paper towel to your dish. Microwave for 3 minutes or until hot. Remove from microwave and remove towel. So can I put it in this? I'm very confused right now. Doesn't take much, guys. Okay, cut open package and place the chicken on a cutting board. What? Slice chicken breast into 1-inch slices. Place all pieces on a microwave-safe plate and drizzle any remaining juices evenly over the slices. So to your dish, almost. I mean, I assume I could cook it right in here. I got another meatloaf pack in here. Meatloaf, I gotta stick that in the freezer, or do something with it. Let's cut this. I mean, it's almost 2 o'clock, but we eat dinner like 5 o'clock. But this is me. I get late starts to everything I do. Well, this morning I was very productive, though. I'm very, very proud of myself. Very, because when you, I don't know why you have to cut this. When you have issues, again, guys, I know, with depression and anxiety, I know I say it a lot, but it's only because it's true. When you get something accomplished, you feel good about yourself. And it really helps you accomplish more when you able to do things. All right. So, what are they talking about? It's cut already. Really? Misinformation. Oh, guys, it smells so good. I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to leave it how it is. I think they mean when it's done. I don't know. Guys, this cold, it tastes good. All right, let's put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. All right. I didn't even need the Scottsy thing. No. Okay. had my phone. Where are you? Oh, here it is. Truly. Okay. Look at, it's done. Look at this amount for 5 points. That's really good. Like, that is a really good portion. Now I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat that all. Lemon, definitely needs lemon, and it definitely needs some salt. Just a little bit. Guys, Look at that. That looks so yummy. For 5 points and only 6 carbs. How could that be? How could it be? Mmm. I should probably be using my no salt thing, but I don't feel like getting up. Oh, I gotta take my insulin. This is what I'm talking about, this goddamn diabetes. I can't stand having to do all this shit before I eat my lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever the hell it is. Guys, I'm really very excited. This is really good. And it's only 5 freaking points. The chicken is really tender. It's got broccoli. Where is the box? Boneless skinless chicken breast. Hand stuffed with broccoli and cheese. I mean, I'm so shocked that it's only 5 points. I don't like big pieces of chicken. I can't even believe it's only 5 pieces. 5 pieces. It's only 5 points. It definitely needs a little bit of citrus. The lemon really does it. What? She's always calling me, guys. Can I eat my lunch? Be back. Alright guys, so it is dinner time now. What's for dinner tonight is I'm making American tomatoes for the family. Since I'm making pasta already, Jenny's going to have fettuccine, and I'm going to actually have my leftover steak that I had last night that I didn't eat. I still have half of it left, so I'm going to have that and the sweet potato and I think broccoli, and that's it, because I'm not going to have pasta. I'm not messing it up. My sugars were in the 100s today, so much better. I'm following like Weight Watchers, so I don't want to mess myself up, so I'm not having pasta. So that's the story. So that's what we're making.
Hey, Mommy, tell them what I'm doing.
Denny's doing a big puzzle. when it's all done, tell me and I'll show them. She's doing a big puzzle that her mentor Michelle gave her. It's huge. It's really cute. So yeah. So right now I have the pasta water, pasta water boiling. Well, it's on for boiling. I have the American tomatoes in here, simmering, and my potatoes in the oven. It's in the oven. It's in the microwave oven. And then I'm going to. Sorry, I like to fix my hair. Then I am going to get some broccoli out of the freezer and make that. I haven't had broccoli in a while, about a week. So I think I'm gonna have broccoli. Yeah, dinner's gonna be ready very shortly. Who's knocking? Oh. Guys, look at this puzzle Jenny made. Is that adorable? It's huge. Look at it. So cute.
I didn't know it was going to be that big.
Isn't that awesome, Jen?
Hi, guys.
What a nice present.
I didn't know it's not going to be this huge.
I know.
I didn't know it was going to be a huge
So
puzzle.
big. Okay, so I have the water boiling. I have the
Awesome.
tomatoes boiling. I gotta lower that flame a little bit. And let's check that out here.
Anna and Elsa. I finished the whole puzzle. Took me like a couple minutes, Mom.
Now this is on the lowest it could go, so I'm gonna put it on the back flame.
Only a couple minutes. Oh, that's why it says 9, 24.
Okay.
There's 26 pieces.
I'm gonna put another to fit on there. Just waiting for this. All right, guys, so here is my plate. I have my leftover steak. I have some yam, a yam there, and a little broccoli. And that's what's for dinner tonight, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a long video today. Got a lot of little things going on, cleaning, the refrigerator, and all that stuff. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like button on the bottom, and don't forget to hit the notification button with the bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload. Also, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and share and all of that. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.